Perfect. No one will know it's you.
No, bud. Two strangers with hoods is one thing. But two strangers with hoods and a Night Fury and a Razor Whip, that might not be so stealthy. That's a lot of hunters. Whoever that hooded stranger was, he's right. It's not safe here. Oh, wait. There. That must be the Iron Mason Mala was talking about.
These weapons are spoken for.
Okay, yeah. Well, I was just browsing, so, no problem.
Let's go. Clearly none of these are for sale.
We need to get out of here before someone sees our dragons. You okay?
Did you hear the one about the hunter and his dull axe?
What's the matter?
Nothing. I thought I just...
That's impossible. We all saw...
I know what we saw, but that's Dagur.
And, from the looks of it, he's working with the dragon hunters.
Here, hand him some. No, don't. He's sinking.
I should have trusted my instinct. Dagur will always be a dirty, disgusting, lying...
Whoa. Hang on. Heather, I can't let you do this.
Hiccup,
Would you just listen to me, please? Dagur risked his own life to save ours. All of ours. Why would he do that? Just to go right back to the dragon hunters? No, it doesn't make sense.
He's Dagur. Since when does anything he does make sense?
Yeah, okay, rarely, but if you attack him now, you'll expose both of us and our dragons. Is that what you want? Look, I want to get to the bottom of this as much as you do. Minus the death by double-headed axe part. We need to get Dagur alone and find out what he's doing here. There has to be some kind of explanation.
All right. I'll play it your way. For now.
Thank you, Heather. I know this isn't easy.
Wow, I guess even dragons love a good fiery demise.
I don't think he's here to watch. That's his first test.
There's no way Snotlout can eat all those rocks.
He's not gonna eat them. He's gonna walk across them.
Ah, totally different death, but entertaining nonetheless.
The minute he starts to scream, you two and Barf and Belch pull him out, or Snotlout's fiery demise is on your heads.
I'm good with that. Are you, sister?
I'll work through it. Gustav is always a good backup.
All right, you guys ready for some hot coal action? Well, here it comes. Stop!